In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Easy Apply on LinkedIn. Easy Apply is designed to make the job application process faster and more convenient, especially when you want to apply to several relevant roles without filling out a long application from scratch every time. If you're actively job hunting, knowing how to use this feature properly can save you time while still helping you submit a strong application. To get started, open LinkedIn and search for a job you're interested in. As you browse job listings, look for one that displays the Easy Apply badge. This badge tells you that the application can be completed directly through LinkedIn, instead of sending you to a separate company website. That can make the process much smoother and quicker. Once you find a role you want to apply for, click the Easy Apply button. LinkedIn will open a short application form, and in many cases, some of your details will already be filled in based on your profile. Take a moment to carefully review your contact information before moving forward. This is important because recruiters need accurate details if they want to reach out to you. Even though the fields may be pre-filled, don't assume everything is current. A quick check here can prevent missed opportunities later. Next, upload your most recent resume. Make sure you're attaching the correct version, ideally one that reflects your latest experience and is relevant to the position you're applying for. If you have multiple versions of your resume saved, pause for a second and confirm you're selecting the best one for that specific role. A clean, updated resume can make a big difference. After that, answer any screening questions included in the application. These questions are often used by employers to quickly assess whether you meet basic qualifications, so read each one carefully and respond accurately. It's worth taking an extra moment here to avoid simple mistakes, especially if the questions relate to your work eligibility, years of experience, or skills. Before you send the application, review everything one final time. Check your contact details, confirm the resume upload, and make sure your answers are complete and correct. This final review helps you catch small errors and gives you confidence that your application represents you well. When everything looks right, hit submit. Your application will then be sent through LinkedIn for the employer to review. That's it. Easy Apply is a simple tool, but using it carefully can help you apply quickly without sacrificing quality.